Hey everyone, welcome back to the Math Zone. Today we're going to tackle a common question in math. How do you find the vertex of a quadratic equation when it's in standard form? Don't worry if this sounds complicated. By the end of this video, you'll be able to find the vertex quickly and easily. First, let's remind ourselves what the standard form of a quadratic equation looks like. It's written as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are numbers. The goal is to find the vertex of the parabola. The vertex is the highest or lowest point on the graph depending on whether the graph opens up or down. So let's answer the question, parabola opening up or down? When A is positive, the parabola opens upwards. So the vertex is the lowest point on the parabola. When A is negative, it opens up downwards, and the vertex is the highest point on the parabola. A can be represented next to the x squared in the equation. To find the vertex of the parabola, follow the following steps. 1. Label A, B, and C from the standard form of the equation. Once you know what A, B, and C is, move to step 2. Step 2, solve for x. Plug in the values of B and A into the equation. X is equal to negative B divided by 2 times A. Once you have the value of x, move on to step 3. Step 3, plug x value into the original equation. So let's try a sample problem. Y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 5. Step 1, label A, B, and C. A is 2, B is negative 8, C is 5. Step 2 is to plug the values into the vertex formula. X equals negative B divided by 2 times A. Once we plug the values of B and A into the equation, you would set it up as negative, parenthesis, negative 8, parenthesis, divided by 2 times 2. When we simplify that, x is equal to 8 divided by 4. X is equal to 2. In step 3, plug x into the original equation. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 5. Where you see x, you plug in 2. Y is equal to 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 5. When you simplify that, it comes out to y equals 2 times 4 minus 8 times 2 plus 5. Y is equal to 8 minus 16 plus 5, which gives you an answer of y is equal to negative 3. To be able to find your answer, rewrite as a point. A point can be written as xy in parentheses. So our vertex would be 2, negative 3. So now you need to interpret whether the vertex is a minimum or a maximum. Since our value of A is positive, meaning the parabola opens upwards, the vertex of 2, negative 3 is the lowest point on the graph. Know that a minimum A value is positive, maximum value A is equal to a negative value. In our equation, A is equal to 2, meaning 2 is a positive number, creating this a minimum value. To quickly recap, here are the steps to find the vertex of the quadratic equation in standard form. 1. Label your A, B, and C. 2. Use x equals negative b divided by 2a to find the x coordinate. 3. Plug the x value back into the equation to find the y coordinate. 4. Write as a point of xy to label your vertex. With this method, you can find the vertex of any quadratic equation in standard form. That's it for today's video on finding the vertex of the quadratic equation in standard form. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like more tips on math topics. See you in our next video.